So now if you want to access your movies and TV files, you can go to the default app that comes with Microsoft Windows 10, and that is Movies and TV. So if I were to go over here onto Movies and TV, you can see that it lets you access medias from your removable storage, from even your media service. But right now you don't see any videos right over here. So what you can do is you can go to your file explorer, and I'm on my tutorial folder right now. What you can do is you can grab on any one of those videos on to the video folders right over here. Once you do that from your movies and TV, you can see that now the video file is there, and you can play it accordingly if you want to. So if you want to add up more folders, you can click on add folder right here. And then if I were to press add folder just like this, I can choose where I want to get my videos from as well. So what I can do is I can choose add another folder just like that, and I can access my TutorTube drive over here. So I'm on my TutorTube drive right now, and I can simply select. You may not be able to see all the video footages right here. Just click on select folder, and it'll bring out all of the videos that is there on that drive. So I can just add the folder right over here and press done, and over here you'll be able to see all of the videos that is in that folder. You can see that all of the videos are there, and total in my TutorTube you can see that all of the videos in that folder is there. Another simple way to access it is to simply go into the folder and by double clicking the videos. So let's just double click this. If I were to double click this, you can see that it plays at a full screen right over here, and if I were to click this out, it exits the full screen, and I can pull this out to actually make it smaller. So I can play this out just like that, and over here I can pause it, I can control the volume right here, I can even see the subtitles if the video has any, just like this. So this is how you can access your video. So if you want to get out of the video, simply close it out. And if I want to access it again, I'm going to go to movies and TVs over here. So I'm going to go to movies and TVs. I'm going to press enter, and over here if you want to play any video, just click on any one of the video and they'll be played just like this. You can control the volume, and then if you want to go over here, go back right here, you can just press this button just like that, play around, and you can go back, navigate around to other videos just like this as you want. So that is how you can access the videos in Microsoft Windows 10 by using Movies and TV app. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.